Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm doing a try-on haul today. I love doing these try-on hauls. You guys love these. So here I am doing another one for you guys. And today we are going to unravel to see if the infamous SHEIN is a scam or not. So I know it's very hard to believe when there's lots of brands that have cheap prices and they have the same exact clothes as like Fashion Nova and all those different super trendy stores. So real quickly I want to say sorry for the background. I am in works of working on my beauty room. I'm getting my desk set up, I'm getting the lighting, I'm getting the new backdrops, and like I'm getting everything situated right now, guys. So please bear with me. I'm trying my best right now. So right now I'm currently sitting on the floor of my apartment. Anyway, let's get right into it. So let's just see if SHEIN has things that are up to par. I have been working with them for a long time. Today I'm going to be doing a full in-depth review, so let's just get right on in and let's try on all these clothes. This is the first top. Armani loves it. He loves chewing on this type of material. I don't know why, but the top looks like this. I got it in the size small. I'm not sure why there's all of this like bagginess right here going on, so I would say I recommend an extra small, so go a size down on this top. But usually most of their tops usually fit pretty nicely and tight, so a little confused, but it still fits very nice. I'm just like the kind of girl that likes it super duper tight. And then for the skirt, this is what the skirt looks like. I love this. It's very like Clueless vibe, bouginess on a budget, so this is a really pretty piece. This one I also got in a size small. The material is really pretty. I love the print overall. Very perfect. I love this. I just wish that it was a little bit tighter like this. And now of course we have to get the essentials in. So of course I got a black cropped turtleneck sweater. Super cute. And guys, look at this top with the skirt. For this top, I would definitely give it a very high rating. This quality right here is top shop quality, guys. Nearly there. It's very thick and it's warm. Like it is definitely something that's going to keep you warm. The thickness of this top is so nice. Wear this with jeans, you can wear this with shorts, you can wear this with pretty printed skirts, like you can do everything with it. So this here is the next piece, very pretty and cute. It is a little tiny bit see-through, as you guys can see. I would normally wear something like this under a coat, so I have a whole bunch of coat options here that I'm going to show you guys in a bit. It's very comfy, very form-fitting, and Armani is there biting on my sleeve. Armani's over here being a little meanie. Huh, you're being mean. Whoa! This is exactly why I love to have staple pieces, just because I can wear a printed skirt like this and all the tops will just go and flow with every single look. For the different coats, I have this brown one right here. It is so beautiful, let me just tell you guys. So before I get ahead of myself, I didn't get the chance to rate this top. So this top, I would honestly give it like an 8 out of 10, just because it is very comfortable. It is see-through, so that's why it gets bumped down a few notches. Very comfortable. I would wear this on an everyday basis without getting like really hot and suffocated, since it is a little bit thinner. I can definitely wear this in the Cali weather. As you guys can see, it is high neck and it also does have long sleeves. And if you guys live in Southern California, you know that in the morning it is freezing cold. During the day it is hot, and then at night it is super freezing cold again. I really like it, and the color is absolutely beautiful. And now for the coat, you guys. So you guys already saw how it looked a little bit more casual before the coat, and now put this little sucker on and you guys look bougie, like you spent like hundreds and hundreds of dollars on your outfit, when in reality you actually spent like 50 bucks. This is what the coat looks like with the outfit. I love it. It gives me like very New York vibes. So if you guys are curious as to where it hits me, I am 5'1". If you guys are taller, it might fit you somewhere your mid-butt. Alright, so now moving on from this one, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of a spicier one. You guys might think that I'm going a little too far saying like Topshop, but this is the same quality, guys. You guys can be getting all this stuff for like 15, 20 bucks, while at Topshop it's going to be 5 times the price. Now, we're gonna be moving on to something a little bit spicier. So, we all know that cheetah has been quite the trend recently, and I'm not complaining. Can we just take a moment for the cheetah moment? But I do like mixing prints sometimes. So this is what the whole fit would look like together. I know if you guys are not living in SoCal, you guys are definitely good to still keep on buying coats for the coming months, because it doesn't get warm till like literally June. Also, this one is a little bit longer than the last coat. This one hits right behind my knees, And now we're gonna be moving on to this coat right here. This one's more of like a fuzzy sweater, not really a coat. So this is what this one looks like. It's just a pink fluffy coat. So I'm gonna throw this on over my top. Super cozy, could wear this every single day. This one is definitely more of an everyday coat, which is very nice. The other ones are more for like, if you're gonna go out somewhere a little bit more fancy, of course you can dress it up and down, but I feel like this one's more casual. Again, definitely goes with this outfit as well. So I'm telling you guys, all of these coats can go with this outfit since it's so neutral and straightforward. This is hitting like right below my booty. But this one's a little bit more like thin and flimsy, but again, it is more of a sweater rather than a coat. So for this outfit, it is completely different from the past ones that I was showing you guys. But this top, I picked it up mainly for the fact that it reminds me of those Guess tops that have been super trendy, like the very vintage ones. So this is the top right here. I would give this top, from the quality, it is like, you know, a normal Forever 21 shirt. So I would give this like a 6, 7. And then I also have these shorts to show you guys. These are definitely a essential. I picked these up mainly because they are high-waisted. Us girls love the high-waisted. And then this is what the back looks like. I am going to say that the back isn't very flattering to the fit, but I do like this fringe going on, and I do like how high this reaches. These are like Forever 21 material as well. Now, when I saw this piece on the website, I was so excited because it is such a different piece. I haven't seen anyone really wear something like this recently. I feel like this is very 90s. So this is the bodysuit, and it has like this really cool reflective pink material, and I thought that it was like very different and cool. So I picked it up, and of course I would wear this with like some high-waisted jeans. I just really like this piece. The material is really nice. I think that it is amazing for the price that it was. I would give this like a 8, 9 out of 10. And also, let me show you guys the back because I know that you're curious. It just has a crisscross back. I got this piece, which is also my favorite. So it has to be this one, this piece, and the skirt that are my favorites out of this entire haul. She is, of course, bright pink. Guys, this piece is absolutely everything. But this coat is perfectly on my waist, which I really do like because sometimes you don't want something too oversized. So I picked this one up, and it has to be an, I would say, 11 out of 10. I love this coat. Alright, next piece, guys. You guys know right away that I am not the biggest fan of purple. It is my absolute least favorite color. I don't know why, but when it comes to lavender, I think that it is beautiful. When it comes to like a periwinkle, I think it's beautiful. But when it's like a purple, Barney purple, I don't know what it is, but I just don't like it. Straight away, I already really like it. I think it is beautiful, and it fits very nicely. The arms are, although a little bit loose, but I do have like the world's smallest wrist. Also for the bottom, it does have some looseness going on, but I don't really mind that because of course I always have like high-waisted pants to tuck this into. Okay, but in all seriousness, this is such a beautiful piece. It is fuzzy, and it feels like something that I could have gotten out of like a high-end place. It honestly almost feels like cashmere, and I'm not even exaggerating. And then for looseness, this is what it looks like. It's not sucked in and super tight, which I really don't mind. I would wear this like on a rainy day, a day that I want to be comfortable. And from all the pieces that I picked up, this one has to be the most adorable, cutest one that I picked up. This is why, oh my goodness, it is like a little cute pink fuzzy teddy bear. I love this. It is super warm, and I would right away give this like a 9 out of 10. 9 just being because this is a little bit thinner. The reason I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 is because I wish that it was a little bit fluffier. It already is very fluffy and warm, don't get me wrong, but I like mine to be super fluffy, but it is very good quality. Very cute. I really like this piece. It's so fluffy and cozy and cute. And for the very last outfit, Armani, tell them it's the last outfit. You guys have come to the end. So this is like a subtle turtleneck, I would say, because it's not like all the way up here, which I do like on a dress. And this is also a midi dress. Right away, I would give this dress like a 6, 7 out of 10 just because I do feel that it is very thin, but it does look very pretty on. So if you're gonna have a coat over, it probably should not matter. So this here is how she looks on. And then for the skirt part, this is what it looks like. So just a casual midi dress. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, his ball fell, he's so upset. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Overall, I would say that SHEIN is really not a scam at all. I've been working with them for a very, very long time, and I already knew that they weren't a scam. I just wanted to show you guys on camera that they are really good quality and they legit are the real deal. Some are very comparable to Topshop, so I highly recommend that you guys go check them out. All the links to all the pieces that I got will be linked down below. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.